So in this video, I'm going to show you how we use Chargent to be able to run credit cards. And we do it with a mashup of Drawloop and Docusign to be able to do it. So we have a custom invoice object internally here that's related to time entries, projects, project line items. It's all mashed together, so it's all one cohesive process. And if someone says, hey, we want to pay by credit card, we can create a new order. You'll see here that the amount for the invoice is $150. And we pass on the 2.9% fee that Stripe charges us. So you'll see the amount then becomes $154.35, and we show the amount then that we're passing on. And we'll say, hey, okay, we can generate the invoice, or we can just send them the order then to get run. So we do this with a custom button, so we pre-populate some of the lookup fields when we make the new record, such as the account name, the project name. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the recipient of who this is going to be going to here. So go ahead and click Save. So now all I then have to do is to send with Docusign, has everything else ready to go. And then this pushes it through Drawloop onto Docusign then, which I'll then receive an email, and I can fire this up and plug in all of the fields. So here's my Docusign email. I'm going to click on the link. And I now have the template that we generated using Drawloop. We have everything in here. You can make this form look whatever you want. Then we'll just plug in some bogus fields just for the sake of showing you the demo. Go ahead and do sign. Now, as soon as the customer signs, I get a Docusign notification that someone has executed this. So when that happens, then I'll get an email, and I know that then I can then go ahead and run the card right away. It usually takes about 15 seconds to get all of the fields loaded back into Salesforce. But then once they do, all you have to do is refresh, and you see all the information come back into your record in Salesforce. So we'll see if we have it down here. And you see how we have any information that we've collected from the Docusign form is back here. Most of our stuff we do is with a payment frequency of one time. But the nice thing about Chargent is that you can do recurring type of transactions. So if you have a SaaS type of model or some kind of recurring services model, like we have a model where we charge for a certain amount of hours per month. So we could set the billing frequency to say, hey, we want to charge this card monthly, and we want to do it either by date or by count. And depending upon which payment processor you have, you can actually tokenize the number, so you don't even have to save this stuff here. You can just save the token. And then there's a batch process which runs in the background to be able to run these on whatever frequency that you're setting here. And then you're good to go. Chargent does this whole thing declaratively, and it's super simple to set up. We love it. Thanks.